Okay. Ito na si Madam, oh. Nagdadrive na. We are going to the western part of Tuguegarao. Negosyo, Dadana, Bambalan area. And then go back to Centro of Tuguegarao City afterward. Okay, at present we are still here in Gosi, and we are planning to go up to Isabela, boundary Cagayan, Isabela. Our first long drive, her third day of driving. And guys, ayan, medyo improving na siya. Kailangan ng konting kembot pa. Siguro naka 40% na siya. And even in the 3-pointer, medyo marunong na rin siya. Ang next na ituro namin sa kanya, yung ituro ko sa kanya is yung S-parking. Yung pag-park sa in between of two cars at the side of the road. Ayan, baka sa Friday turuan ko siya. Kasi may pupuntahan namin bukas sa Kalamagnugan. Ayan, relax ka lang, Madam. Kaya mo yan.